Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and I am super excited because I got my Ju Ju Be BFF in the mail today. Now, let me tell you, when I got home from school, I was super excited to see this package waiting for me at my front door. I have been eyeing down the BFF Commodore for so long now, so whenever I saw it at my front door, I have been dying to open it. So, without further ado, I am going to go ahead and break this bad boy open. So we've got... Whoops, you can tell I'm excited, right? It's just my address and my name, that's important, thank God. Oh my God, my heart is like pounding right now. All right, wow. All right, so you can see that right there. I purchased this from the Infant Style website. I guess it's actually pronounced Enfant Style website. And that's what it looks like on the inside of the bag. Yeah, so first of all, it came with this, I guess, gift with purchase little coin pouch, which is beautiful. I got it in the Queen of the Jungle print, which I love. It's beautiful. I have right here some Ju Ju Be stroller clips in the, as you can see, gold plated hardware, which I also love. I'm gonna actually open this up right now. Maybe not. It looks kind of complicated. I'll save that till later. I also have here the gorgeous Passy Pod in the Admiral print. I am equally excited to open this bad boy up. We have here the Mess Shuttle, which is awesome. It's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be, so that's always a good thing, right? And then finally, oh my God, here it is. Holy cow. Oh my God, it's actually pretty heavy. This is a nice bag. I can't believe this. All right. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my God, this material. It's amazing. That is some good quality right there. Look at that. I don't know if you can. Look at that. That is super nice. As you can see, you've got the gold hardware right here. We've got our front mommy pocket. Open that up. We've got our little sunglass pocket there. Got a little pocket here as well. And of course your key fob. Another pocket here. A zipper closure here. Right on. Alright, sorry guys, my camera died, but I charged the battery and here I am to finish the unboxing video. So we have here the Ju Ju Be Commodore in the Legacy selection. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but yeah, so this is the bag. It is absolutely gorgeous. We have here the navy color on the outside of the bag with this gorgeous champagne color. I don't know if you can see the champagne color in this camera view, but it's not white. It is actually a champagne color, the same color on the inside. There is also this gold-plated hardware, not actual gold, just, you know, the color gold. And yeah, this is the outside of the bag. I have attached here the messenger strap. And on the side here, we have the backpack straps. All right, so let's get into the bag. This is the inside right here, the mommy pocket. Folds all the way down there. Beautiful, I love it. We have a small zipper compartment right here. And it actually is quite big. It fits a coin purse by Ju Ju Be in here, and fairly stuffed. I tested it out before I resumed filming the video. Of course, we have our key fob, and then we have another pouch right here, and we have another pouch right there. They're fairly large. They fit a lot. And our little sunglass case with the Admiral print lined right there. Yeah, so that's that. And then we have the small pouch at the top here with the fleece lining. Gorgeous, I love that. Perfect for storing sunglasses, well, not sunglasses, but maybe a phone and a camera. That's usually what I put in there. Beautiful, beautiful. Side of the bag, look at that. Got this little elastic right here to stretch out so it fits larger bottles. I have my Passy Pod in the Admiral print again. Back of the bag, whoop whoop, beautiful. You have here your D-rings for the backpack straps, which I'm not using. Change pad. Beautiful champagne color, look at that. Damn. And then your Admiral print. Let's just put that right there. Large pocket at the back here. Very large pocket. Look at that. Again, your bottle holder. Okay, let's get into the bag. Ooh. Your 2 photo slots right here. You can also store, you know, some Ju Ju Be set pieces in here. I see a lot of moms do that. I'll probably store photos. You have this large interior with 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. Very large. They fit a lot. I had my wife's case and 5 size 3 diapers in one of these pouches. They are just huge and beautiful. We have our little zipper compartment back here as well, which is very big. It fits my whole hand in there. So there you go. This is the Ju Ju Be BFF in the Commodore print. Absolutely beautiful bag. I was debating between this bag and a couple of other Ju Ju Be BFF prints, and I am so glad that I went with this one because it is just absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at that, guys.